I'm excited to share something really special with you today. We're diving into the world of personal development, and trust me, this is a journey that can absolutely transform your life for the better. So, if you're ready to level up, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Defining personal development. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding what personal development is all about. So, what exactly is it? Well, personal development, in a nutshell, is the process of improving yourself and your life. It's about becoming the best version of you. It's a journey of self discovery, growth, and self improvement. Personal development covers various aspects from improving your skills and knowledge to working on your mindset, emotional intelligence, and even your physical health. The goal here is to boost your overall quality of life and help you reach your full potential. It's about setting and achieving goals, developing a positive attitude, and finding your purpose. The importance of personal development. Now, why should you care about personal development? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Personal development can have a profound impact on your life. It can help you become more confident, improve your relationship, and increase your overall happiness. It's not just about professional growth, but personal growth too. Think of it as an investment in yourself, one day that pays off in numerous ways. When you actively work on your personal development, you are more equipped to handle challenges and setbacks, and you'll find yourself making smarter choices both in your career and personal life. Getting started with personal development. So, you might have the question, how do you begin your personal development journey? Well, it all starts with self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on where you are in life and where you want to be. What are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your goals and aspirations? Once you have a clear vision, you can start setting specific and achievable goals. These goals become your roadmap, guiding you on this journey of self-improvement. But remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about consistent and small steps in the right direction. Tools and resources for personal development. There is a world of resources out there to support your personal development journey. Books, podcasts, courses, and even mentors. All of these can provide valuable insight and guidance. Remember, personal development is a lifelong process and there is always something new to learn. Another essential tool is a growth mindset. Embrace your challenges and failures as opportunities to learn and grow. It's through adversity that we often make the most significant progress. Before we wrap this up, if you've enjoyed this introduction to personal development and you want to continue this journey with me, join our community, subscribe, and connect. We've been building a fantastic community of like-minded individuals here, and we'd love to have you on board. Let's support each other and grow together. Well, there you have it, folks. An introduction to your personal development journey. But remember, it's a path to becoming the best version of yourself, and it's a journey that can be incredibly rewarding. Stay tuned for more content on personal development tips and inspiration to keep you on the right track. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear about your personal development journey and what topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep thriving. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.